Hello YouTube, hi everyone. It's been a long time since my last video. The reason being I had my final examinations in my Masters of Medicine, and now since I have completed all those exams, I am having some free time. So I thought I'd make a video of unboxing my new 5K iMac. So without much ado, let's go ahead with the unboxing of the late 2015 iMac 5K 27 inch. So let me just pull this tab here. As you can see, the box has a large photograph of the iMac itself. It's a really big, it's a huge box. So here we go. As you all know, Apple makes their packaging very nice, and it's the same even here. So right above this we have the Magic Keyboard and the Magic Mouse 2. I'll just open that up for you now. Here it is, the Magic Keyboard 2 and Magic Mouse. This here is the Magic Mouse 2. It's slightly different from the Magic Mouse 1. The main feature being this can be charged using a lightning cable instead of a AA battery. So as you can see, here is the port for charging the mouse, and there's no slot for insertion of battery since it is a rechargeable one. It's a fairly good mouse ergonomically and to use. This is the Magic Mouse 2. So next let's take a look at the Magic Keyboard now. Magic Keyboard 2. Let me just place this back here. So here there's a tab here to pull up the keyboard, and this, as you can see, is the Magic Keyboard 2. This again comes with a chargeable charging slot, and you can charge this keyboard very quickly. They say you get about 9 hours of battery life if you charge it even for some 15 to 30 minutes. And even the design is quite good here. And this keyboard is similar to the 12-inch MacBook, which has the butterfly type of keys. The feel is also quite good, and as you can see here, there's a tapering design which makes the typing more easy. And below that we have a booklet. Now just let's see what's there inside the booklet. There are a few quick start guides and a few guarantee information and some safety information slips. As you all know, they give these white Apple stickers, and there's a nice cloth here for cleaning the screen of the iMac. That's it in the booklet section here. Let's keep that here. And just beneath that we have cable that can be used, a lightning cable that can be used to charge the Magic Mouse 2 and the Magic Keyboard 2. Now let's set this apart, set this aside, and let's go ahead with the main iMac here. So this is quite a huge box. First let's pull out this thermocol packaging. Let's bring that up. right here we have a very nicely tucked in cable that is for the monitor. This is the cable we get. It's a very nice cable. This is the Indian type of 3-pin socket, and so that was here. Let's keep that aside. There's a lot of packaging here. We just get that aside. Let's keep this apart. So this here is the iMac. Let's get this wrapping peeled up. Here it is, the gorgeous new iMac 27-inch with a 5K display. Now the model which I have here is a late 2015 iMac with a 5K display, a 1 TB Fusion drive, and 3.2 GHz processor, and AMD R9 390 graphics card. With 2 GB of video RAM. I went with the 8 GB RAM model. I thought I'll upgrade it myself since the Apple upgrade is quite costly. The RAM in iMac 27-inch can be upgraded, unlike the 4K 21.5-inch model where the RAM cannot be upgraded. So yeah guys, look at this beautiful screen here, really good looking. The aluminium unibody design it's so thin here at the edges, the beautiful Apple logo here. Now let me just clear this up for you and I'll be back. So now friends, as you can see, the iMac is completely unboxed and set up on the desk. Now I'll just show you around the iMac itself. As you can see, the edge is so damn thin. It is so thin here. However, it gets a bit hefty in the middle where all the components are placed. And these here are the ports. We have 4 USB 3.0, no USB-C as of now, and 2 Thunderbolt 2 ports and an Ethernet port here. It also has SD card slot and earphone jack here. And this is where the power card goes, and this chamber here is where the RAM is. You can just easily remove that and upgrade the RAM. It can be upgraded up to 32 GB. And now let me plug it in and let's boot this beast for the first time. This is where we need to place the cable. So now that we have plugged it in, so now let's turn this beauty on. The power button is here on the right hand corner. It's a concave button so that you can easily feel it. So now I've turned it on, and with the beep it's turning on, guys. This is what it looks like. screen is ginormous. It's just ginormous. Look how simple and clean the setup looks. Mouse and the keyboard are completely wireless. This is what makes or sets the iMac apart. Now I'll be going through the initial setup and I'll be back with you soon.